So hey my boutique babes, I'm back with another unboxing video, okay? And this is gonna be 2 items from our upcoming collection that we'll be launching. So let's get right into it. These are our linen pants, our linen pull-on pants. Look at this, y'all. Can you say comfortable? Can you say comfortable? Can you say breathable? Okay.
Probably is going to be comfortable for y'all.
Have a drawstring, so they're perfect. They're adjustable. Okay. Stretchy. Look at that stretch. And this is a small, so they have good stretch to them. Even in the leg area. That's pretty good stretch for linen, right? Look at that. So they have pockets. So there's pockets featured up here for your hands. There's pockets here as if they're cargos. And there's pockets to the back. So you know the booty is going to be looking fly. Okay, the booty is going to be looking right in these.
Why are you saying booty?
So your man is going to like to see these on you, okay? So yeah, and they come in other colors also. Not just in this blue color. I love this blue color though because it reminds me of like a cute denim color. But and they also come in plus sizes. So if you need it in like 2X, 3X, I got you. They come in plus size also. You just got to do a pre-order for them. So yeah, y'all be ready to place your orders for these because these are going to be a spring and summer staple. So babes, next up we have our smock jumpsuit. Okay. This is the one that I've been waiting on because this is a jumpsuit that is so flowy and airy and it works for all body types. Okay. And also, like I told y'all, all of these are going to be available in plus size. So just let me know if you need it. But we're going to have small, medium, large, extra large on hand in stock to ship out. So look at this. Y'all see this material? Y'all see this? Quality, okay? Look at this. Perfect for summer. So this is the top. These are the straps. And see, it's smocked and it cuts like right underneath the boobs here. And this is all flowy underneath here. So it's not going to cling to you. You know, we got the little mommy pudge going. It's not going to cling to us, okay? It's going to make our shape look popping because it's going to be like waist up here, hips down here, okay? I'm so silly. So, yeah. And this, look at the bottom. How it's made. It's got like a ruffle kind of look down to the bottom. And it's a wide leg jumpsuit, so flowy and airy, like I said, for spring and summer. And this is in our pretty blue. It looks like a light denim color. But this one is also available in other colors too, so get ready to order. So babes, that's an update of what's going on with us and everything. So yeah, I'm just waiting on 3 more packages to come in. I'm waiting on the wide leg linen pants that are ordered in our pretty peach color because I love peaches and I love pink tones and that's my vibe. That's my thing. I love peaches and pinks, especially with spring and summer coming up because like we can have fun with the different colors and stuff now. So yeah, waiting on that. And then I'm waiting on the sandals to come in, which are going to be in stock on hand. We're going to have in our pretty light blue. It's like a denim blue. And then it's also going to be offered in 2 other colors that you can pre-order for also. And then I'm waiting on the t-shirts to come in with all the different designs with our Christian theme and scripture theme and all that good stuff. So yeah, I can't wait for y'all to see it and be ready to place your pre-orders. Love y'all.